Good morning, students. This is our picture dictionary class. In picture dictionary, what we are going to do? We are going to do festival chapter. Okay, what chapter? Festival chapter. FESTIVAL, festival, and S, festivals. Okay, festivals. These are the occasions in which we enjoy. We do several things and pujas. Okay, we wear new clothes. We eat sweets. We eat lots of new dishes. So we enjoy with our family and friends. Okay, so that type of occasion is known as festivals. What do we say then? Festivals. Understand? Now let us read. In your picture dictionary book, this is page number 62. What it is? Page number 62. See, all are wearing new clothes. They are lighting the lamps and giving sweets. They are eating sweets. This is chapter number. This is Diwali. What it is? Diwali. Okay, this is known as Diwali. Okay, in Diwali we lit lamps and wear new clothes and we say Happy Diwali to each other and eat sweets and new dishes. Okay, we burst crackers also, but nowadays it create pollution, so better not to burst crackers. Next one, see, all are playing with the colors in the faces and everywhere on the dresses there are colors and all are putting colors. Okay, watercolor also. So this is the festival of Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. We put colors on each other and love each other. Okay, so this is Holi. Also we eat sweets. Okay, next is the festival of Muslims. Okay, there is mosque and they wear new dresses and go to the mosque, pray to God. After that they eat a dish called sevai. Okay, and enjoy the festival and say Eid Mubarak to each other. So this is the festival of Eid. What it is? This is the festival of Eid. Okay, this is the festival of Eid. Okay, next, see, there is, this is the festival of Dashera. Okay, Dashera. This is the festival of Dashera. Okay, in this we make the model or an effigy of Ravana. Okay, then Meghnad and Kumbhakarna, and then we fire it, lit the fire and burn this model, so that whatever the evil things in our mind and in our heart, it will go out and always we feel positive. Okay, so this is the festival of Dashera. What it is? This is the festival of Dashera. Okay, we eat sweets, there are fairs, there are balloons and many things are there. So what festival we have learned? We have understand about Diwali, Holi, Eid and Dashera. Now come to the next page. This is the festival mainly in Punjab. Okay, at the time of, this is a harvesting festival. This is known as Lohri. Lohri. Bonfire will be there and every man and woman they are with the help of musical instrument, they means dholak and dhol, they make sounds and musics and they dance. Okay, they dance and they enjoy the festival. This is Lohri. Basically it comes in winter season. Okay, it is a harvesting festival. Okay, next, see, this is the everybody knows this is Christmas. In Christmas, mostly children are waiting for Santa Claus. He or she, Santa Claus will come and give them gifts. Okay, and full houses are decorated and there is a Christmas tree. It is also decorated. Okay, so this is the festival of Christmas. Everybody enjoy. Basically it is also, it comes in winter and everybody waited for 1 year. This festival you have already learned, celebrate by Christians. Okay, eat cakes for on that day also. Then come to the next. This is the festival of Assam. Okay, in Assam this festival celebrated. It is also one of the harvesting festival. This is Bihu. What it is? Bihu. Men and women wear traditional dresses and they dance and they sing and dance and enjoy the festival and make many delicious things. So this is the festival of Bihu. In the last it is shown, this is the festival of Onam. Okay, it is another harvesting festival. Onam is celebrated in Kerala, where at the time of Onam there will be snake boat race. Okay, all take part in that snake boat race and then all wear traditional dresses and all everything was decorated with flowers and there will be dance. Okay, the Kathakali dance is going on all they enjoy the festival. So what festival you have learned? Lohri in Punjab, Christmas, then Bihu in Assam and this one Onam. Okay, understand? So these two page I have done festival. Go through it and learn them. Now before that we should revise what we have done yesterday. We have done this birthday party. Okay, in birthday party what things are present? First one, see, this is a streamer. What it is? Streamer. Okay, next what thing are present there? Balloons. Okay, we decorate the house with balloons. Then our father, mother or some elder one hold camera and take pictures. So this is a camera. Okay, then there is a very nice and big cake for birthday. On cake there is a candle. On cake there is a candle. Then see, all are wearing this hat. This is known as party hat. What we say it? Party hat. Then see, this is a birthday card. This is a birthday card. Excuse me, student. This is a birthday card. On birthday we give gifts. Okay, these are the gifts. These are the gifts. This is a wrapping paper. What it is? Wrapping paper. Okay. Then see, there is paper plates. Paper plates. Okay. And then there paper plates. After that, on the paper plate, what we give? All the item to eat. That eating item is known as edibles. What we say then? Edibles. Okay. Edibles. So again, I am repeating: streamers, balloon, camera, party hat, cake, candle, birthday card, gift, wrapping paper, paper plate, edibles. Okay, so this is about the birthday. Now come to curtsies. Okay, curtsies. What curtsies you should use in English so that you be known as a good mannered person. What curtsies are there? First one, use of may I. Always at the time of taking permission use may I. Okay, like may I help you? Now for calling somebody, for interrupting somebody or for asking something, you use excuse me. What we use? Excuse me. Okay, next one. See, if you want for request, we use please. What we use? Please. Like the boy is saying, please show me your toy. So this is please. Understand? Next, if somebody has given you something or you receive something, you say thank you. What you will say? Thank you. Next one by mistake you have done and wrong, and then you have to say use sorry. I am sorry. Okay, use of sorry. Then in the last line, and when you meet somebody, okay, you must greet them. Hello, hi, like this. So this is hello. Hello. Then comes to next. Whenever you are going back or see off, you should say bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Understand? Hello, bye bye. So again I am reading. May I? Excuse me. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Hello and bye bye. So what page I have teach today? Mainly I have teach you festivals. Go through it and learn it. And before that, birthday and curtsies. Also go through it and learn it. Okay? Understand? Okay. Today's teaching over, students. Thank you.